The question, what are the risks of having a dry cough and dizziness? There are 120 conditions associated with cough, dizziness, fatigue and feeling faint, common cold, bronchitis, asthma, child, dehydration, children, sleep deprivation, acute sinusitis, hay fever, heart rhythm disorder, chronic sinusitis, low blood pressure, hypotension, medication reaction or side effect, dehydration, adult, pleural effusion, histoplasmosis, lung cancer, small cell, exercise or physical activity, heat exhaustion, atrial fibrillation, emphysema, cystic fibrosis, tuberculosis, congestive heart failure, lung cancer, non-small cell, multiple sclerosis, radon exposure, sarcoidosis, mononucleosis, anemia, allergic reaction, sleep apnea, acute stress reaction, smoke exposure, viral syndrome, viral laryngitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, indoor allergens, depression, adult, diabetes, type 2, heartburn/GERD, asthma, teen and adult, pneumonia, aortic aneurysm, chest, asbestosis, atrial flutter, bronchial adenoma, carbon monoxide poisoning, anemia, chronic disease, supraventricular tachycardia, vitamin B12 deficiency, anemia, iron deficiency, chemical pneumonia, chronic kidney disease, cryptococcosis, rectal cancer, dementia and head injury, drug allergy, hypothyroidism, adult, motion sickness, myasthenia gravis, thalassemia, valley fever, coccidioidomycosis, viral pneumonia, aortic regurgitation, malnutrition, cocaine withdrawal, underweight, pneumonitis, pulmonary embolism, pulmonary fibrosis, pulmonary hypertension, respiratory syncytial virus, rheumatoid arthritis, Sjögren's syndrome, transient ischemic attack, mini-stroke, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, Lyme disease, Meniere's disease, croup, esophageal cancer, glomerulonephritis, eating disorder, diabetes, type 1, iron poisoning, depression, child and adolescent, exercise-induced asthma, gastrointestinal bleeding, hyperthyroidism, scleroderma, low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, restless leg syndrome, chronic fatigue syndrome, CFIDS, bipolar disorder, mumps, pre-leukemia, myelodysplastic syndrome, dust exposure.